Tofu and chicken mince with ginger sauce. Here are the ingredients for one serving. 5 cups of water, 1000 milliliters. 5 grams of Kombu Seaweed. Pour 1000 milliliters of water and 5 grams of kombu in a pot and heat on medium heat. Remove the kombu right before it starts boiling. Allow the water to boil. Add 30 grams of dried bonito. Lower to low heat and simmer for 2 minutes. Remove from the heat and strain with the strainer and paper towel. Ichiban Dashi stock. Half of onion. Two pieces of chopped ginger. Peel the ginger and chop. Heat vegetable oil in the pot and stir ginger and leek. Ground chicken, 100 grams. Once there is fragrance, add chicken and stir until they are separated. When the chicken color changes, add broth, sake, mirin, sugar, and soy sauce. When it starts boiling, add bite-sized tofu. Simmer for 3 to 4 minutes on medium heat and starch dissolved in 1 tablespoon water. Mix until there is stickiness in the soup. Japanese leek. Cut the leek. Serve on a plate and top with the leek. Enjoy. Tofu and chicken mince with ginger sauce. Again, here are the ingredients for one serving.